Okay, happy Sunday, Domingo Design Day. Veda, say hi. She says hi. All right, put 60 seconds on the clock, go. I don't really have 60 seconds. So let's address the three main problems of this design. You got rotted railroad ties, we gotta do walls and stairs for that. We got a concrete patio that's cracked, disgusting, been there 30 years. We're gonna rip that out, put in pavers, and then you have this old awning or shed that's deteriorating and it doesn't look very good. We're gonna take care of that. So what I do is I take a picture and I implement with the software I use a design right on top of that picture so that you as a client can see what this looks like in real life. You get to connect A to B and not just have a proposal and that sounds good, but I don't really know what you're talking about. I bring the vision to light, and that's what we do for you.